Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen accessory that promises to elevate your cooking experience without adding extra calories, the plastic steamer basket for rice cooker. Now, you might be thinking, a steamer basket, really? But trust me, this seemingly simple tool can unlock a world of healthier and more flavorful meals. Let's talk about what this product offers. The first thing that stands out is that it comes in two size options. You can choose between 20 by 18 by 4 cm or 22.5 by 20.5 by 4.3 cm. This is a crucial detail, as it allows you to potentially find a perfect fit for your existing rice cooker or even just a regular pot you use for steaming. It's essential to measure your cookware before you order, to ensure compatibility. The core benefit of using a steamer basket like this is the cooking method itself. Steaming is a fantastic way to cook food. It preserves the natural texture and flavor of your ingredients. Think about crisp tender vegetables, delicate steamed fish, or moist, fluffy chicken breasts. It's also a great way to prepare eggs, meats, and even baby food, keeping them incredibly moist and flavorful without relying on added fats. This product directly supports that healthier cooking approach, emphasizing that you're cooking with steam, not oil. Construction is another key aspect. This steamer basket is built from temperature-resistant plastics, making it suitable for steaming applications. The product description states it's designed for repeated use in standard kitchen cookers. This implies durability and a certain level of resilience against the heat of steam. It's important to note that while it's temperature-resistant, it's still plastic, so proper usage and avoiding direct contact with extremely high heat sources is always advisable. The versatility of this steamer basket is quite impressive. It's not just for vegetables. You can use it for a wide range of foods, including seafood, eggs, meats, desserts, and baby food. This makes it a practical tool for anyone looking to expand their meal prep options and embrace healthier cooking habits. Imagine steaming dumplings, reheating leftovers without drying them out, or even making a healthy steamed pudding. Finally, let's consider the practicalities of using and storing such an item. The lightweight design makes it effortless to lift and transfer from your pot or rice cooker. And when you're done, its design facilitates hassle-free storage. You can likely stack it, or it can fit neatly in a drawer or cupboard without taking up too much space. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the primary advantage is promoting healthier cooking through steaming, preserving nutrients and flavor. The availability of two size options is a significant plus, increasing its potential compatibility. The multi-food use makes it incredibly versatile for various meal preparations. And the lightweight and easy-to-store design are excellent practical features. However, there are a few considerations. As mentioned, it is made of plastic. While stated as temperature-resistant, some users might prefer stainless steel for high-heat applications or concerns about plastic in cooking. The actual durability over long-term, heavy use is something that would require extended testing. Also, the exact fit for your specific rice cooker or pot is something you must confirm yourself. The product details are helpful, but personal measurement is always best. In conclusion, this plastic steamer basket offers a budget-friendly and practical way to incorporate steaming into your cooking routine. It's versatile, easy to use, and promotes healthier eating. If you're looking for an affordable way to steam a variety of foods and are mindful of the size compatibility, this could be a valuable addition to your kitchen. Link in the description.